How to enable ghost mode on a Snapchat in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So ghost mode is a feature which let you hide your location with your friends or anyone that you want. So that's it. So it only works to hide your location. So firstly what you can do is you to firstly click on the location button in the bottom left corner. When you click on this, then you come to this page, and here you have to click on the settings in the top right corner, and in the my location tab you can see the in the very first option you can see the ghost mode. So when you toggle this to on, then you can when you toggle this to on, you can choose the duration 3 hours, 24 hours, until turned off. So you can also choose the until turn off. You can, it means the until, if you don't turn off this button, it is on uh, till you turn off this button. So that's it. So here you can see it, my the ghost mode on Snapchat is enabled. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, click on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.